second lesson, that is how our earth looks. How our earth looks. Today's topic is how our earth looks. Okay children, now we are learn about the hard words. All of you look properly, listen carefully. Hard words: E-A-R-T-H, earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. M-O-D-E-L, model. M-O-D-E-L, model. G-L-O-B-E, globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. S-H-A-P-E, shape. S-H-A-P-E, shape. R-E-P-R-E-S-E-N-T-S, represents. Represents. R-E-P-R-E-S-E-N-T-S, represents. Rotate. R-O-T-A-T-E, rotate. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, difficult. Difficult. M-A-P, map. A-T-L-A-S, atlas. A-T-L-A-S, atlas. C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. W-A-L-L, wall. M-A-P-S, wall maps. M-A-P, map, wall maps. W-O-R-L-D, world. M-A-P-S, maps, world maps. W-A-T-E-R, water. B-O-D-I-E-S, bodies, water bodies. Land masses. L-A-N-D, land. M-A-S-S-E-S, land masses. In this lesson, hard words. Okay children, today's we learn about how our earth looks in this lesson. How our earth looks. We learn about in this lesson globes, maps, oceans, continents and directions we learn about in this lesson. Children, we already once look at your bookmark. We already know that the earth is round and very big. We cannot see the entire earth at one time. So we make a model of the earth to study it. This model is called globe. A globe is round in shape like a ball. It represents the shape of the earth. It is fixed on a point and can be rotated on its axis just like the earth. Children, listen to it. We know that the earth is shaped round and the earth is very big. The earth is very big. It's not possible to, we can enter the earth one time. We can see the earth. No, that is not possible because so we have make a model. We have make a model of the earth. Model of the earth. This model is called the globe. This model is called the globe. What is this children? This is the globe. This is the model of the earth. You see it? This is model of the earth. Okay children? This is a shape. This is shape like a round, like a ball. This is the shape like a ball. Okay children? We can see on this globe. Once again, all of you look at the bookmark. Even on a globe, we cannot see enter the earth at a stretch. We need a rotate the globe to see the other side. We cannot show the details on the globe. It is also difficult to carry a big globe. This problem can be solved if we use maps. Okay children, once you look this. This is what is this? This is the globe. This is model of the earth. Once you look this earth. All of you look this model. This is the model of the earth. In this we can see on this globe countries, cities, maps. Okay, children? Children, listen it. This is the model of the map. This is the model of map. This is the model of the earth. We can carry this everywhere? No. We can use the maps. It problem can solve the maps. This is the map. Okay, children? Listen it. A map is a drawing of the earth, a part of it. Maps can be carried anywhere easily. Maps can be carried anywhere easily. We can show that map anywhere easily. And some maps are big while others are small. Some maps are big, some maps are small. And a book of maps is known as an atlas. A book of maps is known as an atlas. Are you see the atlas book? In that atlas book we can see route maps, world maps, and India map and rivers map. These are like these maps in that atlas book. More than maps in the atlas book. Once you can see that atlas book. Okay, children. Next, a book of maps. A book of maps is known as an atlas. A maps can be hang on walls. A maps can be hang on walls. That is called the wall maps. The maps can be hang on wall. The maps can be hang on walls. That is wall maps. Okay, children. Wall maps we can hang. We can hang on the walls. That is wall maps. Okay, children. Next, a map on which the whole surface of the earth is drawn is called the world map. This is the world map. Once total countries and the more than details, cities, mountains, so all are in the map. That is a whole world is in that map. That is a world map. That is world map. Okay, children. Next, look at the world map. Look at the world map. Once some areas on the map are blue. Some areas on the map are blue. Once you look this, in this globe, the more than area is color is blue. Some areas are other color. Some areas as other color, yellow color and green color, pink color. This is the water bodies. This blue color is the water bodies. This is the land masses. What is this, ma? This is the land masses. More than our earth is filled with water. 70% of the water. Okay, 21% of the earth. That is the land. This land, more than water on the earth. Our earth is called as a blue planet. Okay, children. Tomorrow we discuss about the oceans, continents, and the campus directions. Okay, children. Okay, thank you. Once you read this lesson, the page number 12. The page number 12. All of you read this lesson once again. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.